English phrases unveiled. Understanding, look out for. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, look out for. This phrase might seem simple, but it has a variety of meanings and uses in everyday conversation. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding phrases like this is key to mastering the English language. Let's get started. Look out for primarily means to be vigilant or watchful for something or someone. It's often used as a warning or to advise caution. For example, look out for the ice on the sidewalk. Here, it's a direct warning to be careful about the ice. Another common use of look out for is to express care or concern for someone else. When you say, I'll look out for you, it means you will ensure their safety or well-being. It's a way of saying you'll protect or support them. Look out for can also mean anticipating or waiting for something. In this context, it's about keeping an eye out for something expected, like, look out for a package I sent you. This means to watch for the arrival of the package. It's important to note that look out for is a phrasal verb, a combination of a verb and a preposition that changes the meaning of the original verb. Phrasal verbs are very common in English and can often be confusing because their meanings aren't always obvious from the individual words. I hope this video helps you understand and use look out for more confidently in your conversations. Remember, mastering phrases like these will greatly enhance your fluency in English. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.